Hi, my name is Ginny Kapoor and I'm a life coach and I'm internationally certified in Reiki, healing as Grandmaster, and I also specialize into skin and hair. Today I'm here to talk about positive thinking and how does it affect our lives and why is it important to think positive. Out of all the 5 elements on earth, the most receptive element is water. It has been scientifically proven that if water is being given positive thoughts, the shape of the molecules changes into better forms. And if water is being given negative thoughts like anger, the shape distorts into deformity. And water being so prominent on earth and into our lives that about 75% of the earth is made of water. The human body, about 60 to 70% is made of water, and the brain is about 90% water. So water is around every cell and inside every cell. So the impact of positive thinking is so high on our lives that we are failing to realize that. If we think positive, our lives can change in a very major way. Our health, our thinking, our lifestyles, everything around us and the way of looking at things have a major part, and they are all dependent on our thoughts. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, do share it and go and like my page on Facebook, Ginny Kapoor, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Ginny_Kapoor.